Add protection plan on the Walmart app. First, you want to open up the Walmart app. Make sure you have the latest version of the application installed on your smartphone. And then the second step will be finding the item you want to purchase. Search for the product you want to buy. For certain items like electronics, furniture, and appliances, Walmart offers the option to add a protection plan. The third step will be selecting the item. Tap on the product you are interested in, scroll down on the product details page, and you should see an option to add a protection plan, for example through Walmart's partner Allstate Protection Plans. You will choose a protection plan. Tap on the protection plan option. You will be able to choose between different coverage lengths, typically ranging from 2 to 4 years depending on the item, and then you will select the plan that best fits your needs. Add to cart. After choosing your protection plan, add both items and the protection plan to your cart by tapping the Add to Cart button. Checkout. When you're ready to complete your purchase, go to your cart. You will see the protection plan listed with the item. Review the items in your cart and proceed with the checkout process by tapping Checkout. Confirm the protection plan. Complete the checkout process. After you've made the purchase, the protection plan will be linked to your item in your purchase history. You can view details of the protection plan through your Walmart account under Purchase History. If you want to add a protection plan after purchase, if you've already purchased an item and want to add a protection plan, some items allow you to add a plan within a certain time window, usually 30 days after purchase. To do this, you want to go to the purchase history in the Walmart app, find the item you bought, and if available, you'll see an option to add a protection plan for that product. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.